Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Asad and I am here welcoming you again in the channel Sale with Ali, where I'm gonna tell you how to fill the form of SCI, Shipping Corporation of India. So as you guys know that SCI has released their form 5 days back, and still you guys were texting us ki sir please tell us ki how to fill the form of SCI. So here in this video I'm gonna tell how to complete procedure of form filling. Okay, so let's just start. So firstly you have to open your Chrome browser in your laptop, then you have to just type SCI DNS form. The very website is going to be the official website from where you can apply. Okay, just click over that. Now this is the official website where you can fill your form. Total seats available is 40 for this batch. Course fees is 6,65,000. Here are some information given below, like how to apply, what are the eligibility criteria and all. You can go through that. Okay, and education qualification, age limit, medical standards, all are given here. Just go through that. By the way, we have already uploaded a full video on this, so just apply at MTI. Click on apply at MTI, and here are the credentials or information which they are asking. You just have to fill one by one. It is all about your information, your complete details. Okay, so no need to worry about it. Yeah, so first fill your full name. That is, first you have to fill your first name of your name. If you are having any middle name, then fill that. Otherwise you just have to fill your last name. Okay, so next you have to fill your mobile number. Whatever mobile number you are having, just fill here in this. Okay, now you have to fill the date of birth of yours. Whatever is your date of birth, just fill over there. Now you have to fill your age. Whatever your age is, just fill over there. Okay, so now you have to fill your blood group. Whatever your blood group is, just fill in this section. Okay, now you have to fill about your gender. If you are male, then put over there, and if you are female, then that thing you have to do. Then you have to fill your email ID. Okay, now you have to fill your marital status. After this email ID, you have to fill your nationality, which is obviously Indian, then your mother tongue, and it is going to be yours mother tongue. Okay, I am here putting Hindi because we are having Hindi as our mother tongue. Then you have to fill your Aadhaar card number. Okay, okay, now you have to fill your PAN card number, PAN card details. If you are not having PAN card, then you can even leave this portion. This is not mandatory, although it is having asterisk mark, but it is not mandatory. Okay, then you have to fill your place of birth, whatever it is. Okay, then category, like from which caste category you belong, whether you are general, OBC, SC, ST. Okay, just fill complete with this place of birth. Then fill your category. I am here putting general. Okay, now you have to fill here your physical details, like your height and your weight. Okay, okay, now you have to give here your guardian details, your father's name, his occupation, and in which company he is working, his designation, email, income. Only thing here mandatory is the name of your father and the occupation and his income and his mobile number. Okay, apart from this designation, email, you can leave that. It is not mandatory although it is having asterisk mark, but it is not mandatory. You can even leave that. fill the income, then mobile number of your father. Okay, then you have to fill about your mother's detail, although it is not mandatory at all. You can completely leave this portion, but at least put your mother's number. Okay, okay, Shilavanti, nice. Now you have to fill your permanent address and your correspondence address, and if it is same, then first fill your permanent address, and here it is a place where it is written click here for copy to correspondence and address. Just click over there. So first fill your permanent address, your village, or post office or tehsil, whatever it is, just fill over there. Then you have to fill after this you have to fill your city or district. Okay, just fill your district over there. Then you have to fill your pin code of your area. Then your state from where you belongs. Then the country, it is obviously India, no need to worry about that. A telephone with the study code, it is not mandatory. Just put your correspondence address is same, and if it is not same, then put your correspondence address too. Now you have to fill your passport detail. Yeah, one thing I want to say in this, those who are not having passport yet and preparing for FEBMAX, guys, try to have a valid passport as soon as possible, because passport is very necessary documents. Okay, you can't even start your batch without passport anywhere in merchant navy. Another thing I want to mention in the same thing is that if your passport is having single name, then it is of no use in merchant navy. Okay, your passport should be having two names, first given name and surname. If you are not having surname, then add it as soon as possible. Okay, here you have to put your date of issue your passport, date of issue of your passport, then place of issue from where your passport has been issued, and then lastly you have to fill at what date your passport is valid. Then you have to fill your class 10th year of joining, and it is just 1 year back of your commencement of class 10. That is, if you have completed your class 10th in 2020, then 2019 will be your year of joining. The result has been declared, obviously it is declared. Then year of passing, when you have passed your class 12, and your English percentage, whatever the marks you have got in your English, put over there. Then your final year percentage, what was your final year percentage in your class 10th, put over there. Then you have to just fill your school name, from which school you have done your class 10th. Okay, it will be your school name, obviously. Then after that you have to fill the board or the university under which your school was affiliated with. Now you have to fill about class 12th details, same as class 10th. Firstly you have to fill year of joining, then result status, then year of passing, English percentage, and final year percentage, and you have to fill your aggregate percentage, put your PCM percentage over there. Okay, and your aggregate one. Okay, now you have to again fill your school name or college name, and again as same, whatever the board or university under which your school or college was or is associated with or recognized with. Okay, If you are a degree student, then you have to fill about your degree too, and if you are not, then just leave that. You have to fill about your marks obtained in physics, chemistry, maths individually. The percentage and grant total is going to be calculated automatically. This software is gonna calculate that. You just have to put your marks obtained and what was your total marks. Okay. Yes. Then mathematics. Now you have to fill your IMUcet details, because for Feb batch only the students who is having rank are allowed to apply in any institute. So firstly, you have to fill your IMUcet registration number, the number in which given in your admit card or hall ticket. Okay, CET 23 something like that. You have to fill that registration number over there, and after this you have to fill your hall ticket number. Hall ticket number is same as your roll number that is in your hall ticket or admit card. Then you have to fill the rank that you have got in IMUcet. After this you can even mention your hobbies or achievements in below if you are having, and then you have to fill yes from where you got to know about Shipping Corporation of India. Then if you are having any reference, then put that. Then at last you have to fill your photo. Okay, now you have to pay the amount. Just click on submit, and the payment portal will be opened soon. Okay, just wait. Yeah, wait, here is a problem. I have to yeah, father's mobile number has been missed. Okay, then put your father's mobile number. Okay, now it will be submitted. Let me check, is there anything left? No, now it is gonna submit it. Okay, now redirecting to payment gateway. So here you have to choose from how you are intending to pay this application form, from UPI or from debit card. Okay, whatever the options will be there, just go through that according to yours availability. Okay, just wait. Yeah, here I am gonna pay through Bheem UPI. Here is the scanner that I have got. I'm gonna pay it by my Google Pay scanner. The form fees is around 508. So after filling this, after doing this payment, you will be redirected to somewhere, but no need to worry about that. Just check your mail. Okay, in your mail you will get a confirmation that your payment has been successful. If it is successful, then it means that you are done with your payment, and if it is not, then there might be some technical issue, and there might be some technical issue from your side, or it can be from their side. I hope this is not going to be happen, and this is not even happening. So if it is happen, so I guess it's from your side. So that's all guys for today's video, in which I have discussed about the complete form filling procedure of Shipping Corporation of India. I guess you guys are preparing well for this sponsorship and all. Thank you very much.